D, the co-founder of Homie2Homie.
D is doing some amazing things here in Dallas, and he just stopped by to tell us a little bit about it. D?
So this summer, my organization, Homie2Homie, is feeding the homeless people. It started as an individual goal for me. My individual goal was to feed 1,000 homeless people this summer, and like as time went on, it slowly blew up. So the first week, the idea that crossed my mind was like, I want to do something productive to some of my time. I had a lot of personal things going on, and I wanted to direct my negative energy to something positive. So I was like, I could try feeding homeless people. And my goal was 1,000 because I feel like I'm gonna set a goal has to be the least challenging to me. So the first week I went to Walmart, bought a whole bunch of bread, peanut butter jelly, chips and stuff, chips and small little snacks. And I made roughly 200 something peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I made like snack bags. So the first week I was able to feed by myself 53 people. And after I fed 53 people, I made a post on Facebook, and the post instantly blew up. People started flooding my DMs, trying to help. People started like blowing me up, trying to donate things, trying to come out there with me, wanting to know more about the organization. And that really gave me like a kick push, because at first I was kind of discouraged about doing it. I was like 1,000, kind of hard to do it myself.
Yeah. I
wasn't for sure I was gonna reach my goal or not, but like each week, slowly got better.
Yeah, so every week you going out and feeding, more people want to get involved in what you're doing. That's dope. So how many weeks, are you gonna do this? If it takes off for more than the summer, are you gonna continue, or are you gonna just cut your cap off at the summertime? What's your goal with that?
I honestly don't know. So every week somebody asks me that question. Like my mom asked me that question. So once you reach your goal, what's gonna reach your goal? What's gonna reach your goal? And I'm like, I honestly don't know. Like I may keep going, I may stop and then try something else. Like I'm honestly gonna go wherever God takes me really. The goal is 1,000. So far I've been doing it about 4 weeks now. So the first month we fed 561 people, and we feed roughly 150 people a week. That'd be my target every week, at least 150.
Okay, so you're practically almost at your goal easily. Tell us a little bit about where you grew up, and how did that play a part in what you're doing now?
So for me, I'm from Oak Cliff. You want to say I'm from Highland Hills, which is a low-income neighborhood, full of crime, full of drugs, full of violence. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't make it out. A lot of my friends are still stuck in the same environment, and not that many resources for us to achieve anything. So like me seeing at a young age, I knew at a young age like I wanted something different. I wanted to be a change, and I also knew that I'm blessed. I was blessed to be able to go to school, a nice high school. I was blessed to be able to go to college and graduate. So I knew I wanted to get back to my community. So being where I'm from really would motivate me to do what I want to do. It made me be more compassionate, more sincere. It made me more willing to help people. And my main goal is to help people that were just like me.
Okay, that's dope. And you're clearly doing that by the success you have now. What about, your future goals for D? Like, aside from Homie2Homie, what do you want to do with yourself?
My passion is working with kids. So 2018, I graduated from the University of North Texas with a bachelor's degree in criminal justice and a minor in rehabilitation studies. So my main passion is working with kids. Me being from the type of neighborhood I'm from, there's a lot of kids that simply don't make it out because they don't have the proper support system. So me, I want to work with kids one-on-one and give them that support system that I didn't have, because I feel like we'll see a better world if we focus more on kids, because kids are the future. So my main goal, my career goal, one day I want to be able to say, I want to be the CEO of a $1 billion nonprofit organization that works hand in hand with average teenagers, basically give them a safe haven or a safe place to basically be themselves. I basically want to help kids facilitate their dreams.
Okay, so are you, outside of Homie2Homie, are you doing anything currently to do that?
So right now I'm working with my team, working with my coordinator, Miss Bridget, working with another one of our friends, Miss Michelle. We coming up with ways to come up with a nonprofit that really targets the kids that we're trying to get to. So right now everything's in the brainstorming stage. So it's just ideas right now. We're just brainstorming until we can finally decide which route.
Do you have any tips that you can give to someone who's starting a business or a brand that they can use in this situation?
Only thing I would say is you gotta keep your faith. You gotta have faith in yourself, you gotta be confident in yourself. Because at times you're gonna feel discouraged, you're gonna feel like nobody's supporting what you do. But you gotta keep in mind somebody's always watching you. Just in case somebody not telling you good job, I'm proud of you. You may have a little kid that's looking up to you that's really watching every move. So really just consistency, you gotta stay consistent. You gotta really put in hard work, you gotta really pick yourself up on the rough days. You gotta really keep pushing.
Okay, and I love this suit and tie. How important is your image, to other people?
So last summer I worked at a marketing firm over the summer, and they told me like one of their main things every day was dress for the position you want to be. Me, I see myself as a CEO one day, so I'm gonna dress as a CEO.
That's important for sure. All right, thanks for stopping by. It was great having you. You guys stay tuned for more amazing things from D and check him out. He do great things.